If you look at other courses, they're pre-recorded, which means you do not have access to your instructor. Some of them do not have the community aspect. They're self-paced, which means you need to develop the discipline to now go through this course by yourself without the help of any instructors. There might be email support, but there might not be a live component to it. And then there's no community, which means you cannot bounce off your ideas. I have created a community, a Facebook members only page where we will bounce ideas every single week. You can ask me any questions, and I am available to you for 12 weeks. That's a long time throughout the course. And then we are only discussing applicable, actionable Muslim investing opportunities. I'm not going to talk about things that are not applicable to us. So I created this in an attempt to bridge the gap between where our community is and where I want to see you go. And I believe that it is extremely valuable